here with a standout defender from Clarendon College, DEVANTI HODGES. First of all, how do you feel, winning the first game of the Champions Cup in Kingston?
Well, it's a great feeling, just greatness from here on.
What did we see from Clarendon College tonight? You guys totally outclassed Mona, getting 2 early goals and just professionally going about your business for the rest of the game. What did we see from you guys?
Just our system. We never come this far to come this far, so we have to do what we have to do.
Alright, I know you guys would have been familiar with Mona High School. Coming into the game, what sort of threat did you expect from Mona? Did they live up to that?
No, we expect high pressing, keep the ball long and we defend, but nothing to fear us.
Alright, speak to me about your performance though. What did we see from you to help this Clarendon College team?
Well, just discipline and just stay focused right through.
Alright, yeah, the Costa Cup season, we at this side of sports, we haven't been able to go that side of the country. Speak to us about your season so far in the Costa Cup. How do you feel about it?
Well, our season going great. We reached a semi-final, so Wednesday we have to do what we have to do and just go to the final and win it.
Alright, for the rest of the Champions Cup, what more can we look forward to from Clarendon College?
Just great football.
Send a message to the Clarendon College supporters that came out to support you tonight. There are a lot here tonight, so send a message to them.
Clarendon College football team, love you. Thanks for the support very much.
Great. Right. Here we have it from the number 6 Clarendon College. Thank you for talking to us.